Welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'm going to show you how I make vegan Dominican Mangu, which is boiled and mashed plantains. You'll need garlic powder, salt, green plantains, purple onions, earth balanced butter, olive oil, and vinegar. I start by rinsing the plantains and I use half a lime to spread around my fingers. It helps prevent the stickiness from the plátanos. My sister taught me this trick. Okay, now I'm going to peel the plantains. You don't have to be an expert at this, you just have to get it done, okay? So just take your time if you've never done this before. Quarter the plantains, add them to the pot. Add about a tablespoon of salt and a generous amount of water. As the plátanos begin boiling for about 30 minutes, I'm going to peel and slice my purple onions. I'm also going to soak them in a generous amount of vinegar for about 10 minutes. It looks like the plátanos have cooked more than halfway, so I'm going to start sauteing the onions in a little bit of olive oil. I strain the onions by shaking the vinegar out of them and only use about half of the actual vinegar and put it in the pot for the sauteing process. As the onions are cooking, just mix them around a few times and they should be done cooking when they're translucent or when they've reached the crunchiness level that you like. About 30 minutes have elapsed and the plantains are fully cooked. I'm adding my plant-based butter, garlic powder, also learned this trick from my sister, and I'm going to mash the plantains for a minute or two. Once you've mashed the plantains fully, you're going to add about a cup to a cup and a half of iced water, and this will make sure that the mangu stays creamy when you serve it and when you eat it. As you can see here, I served my mangu with the onions, of course, on top, and also with tofu scramble. And my next video will be how I make this tofu scramble. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.